सबसे पहला सवाल to Ekta ma'am. ये जो story है, of course, it's based on a book and it's in the 90s जो ये based है. And of course, we're in 2021. अभी भी it is so relevant. But challenges क्या थे and why? Why did you decide to do this? The married woman. Why this story?
You read a book, you like it, and then you want to make it into a show. I think probably many years ago I met Manjuji for Custody. I thought this was a great book, but there was no way I could do it on television or film. Waited for a medium to come which gives birth to individual viewing and lets people let's content come out in such a way that people can consume it at their choice. This was probably the show that was waiting to be made, and digital was the digital was the medium, and I wanted it to be on my platform.
So every time also being a radio jockey, music is just so important. And you're one person who has that ear for music. Every time I come for a launch, there's a new song. And ये इस particular show का भी गाना जो मैं सुन रही हूँ मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है loop पे. इसके पीछे भी एक कहानी है. आप please बताइए ये क्या है कहानी and ये गाना कैसा है?
कहानी नहीं है. नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Actually, I think I heard this song. A friend of mine made me hear it during lockdown, and I just loved it because it was pretty much what we all were going through, and I was like, we're making this show, so let's buy it for the platform.
Riddhi, Astha, looks simple but complicated भी है थोड़ी सी. मतलब ये क्या था दिमाग में जब तुम actually ये character निभा रही थी?
I think उतनी ही complicated है, उतनी ही simple है जितनी हर लड़की होती है. Honestly, बहुत ज़्यादा real और बहुत the writing is very very real. आप जब मैं perform कर रही थी, मैं लाइनें बोल रही थी, बिल्कुल भी कभी भी एक मिनट के लिए भी नहीं लगा कि ये character है. ऐसे कितनी कहानियाँ, मैं कितनी औरतों को जानती हूँ जो आस्था हैं, आस्था रह चुकी हैं, या they already आस्था in their mind. And it's not just the exact journey of the character, but जो उसकी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी है, जो वो working woman भी है, वो homemaker भी है, वो बच्चों को भी देखती है, husband, बाहर भी एक दुनिया है, and that is essentially every Indian woman. So my homework was just to observe every woman. There is a bit of Astha and a bit of you also in Astha. I'm being honest. So I think मेरे लिए बहुत आसान था वो जब मैं portray कर रही थी. I just had so many stories already in my mind of so many women that I've met and I've heard. So yeah, it was a dream come true to do this.
And there's someone joining us from LA. Monica, hello. Can you hear us?
Hi.
I'm sure the team here is missing you.
Yes, we are.
Can you hear us?
I miss you all so much. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Wonderful.
How are you doing? What time is it in LA right now? We've kept you awake.
It's 5 a.m. I've been...
We will just assume you're an early riser. But listen, Peeplika, this character actually is very close to Monica, is what I feel. Am I right or am I wrong?
I think you're right. Yeah. I mean, I think Peeplika is the iteration of self that happens when you have no filter and often no fear. And I don't think Monica's that. I wish I was. But certainly I have elements of her in me in so many ways. There were moments when I was like, it's crazy how much art is imitating life. Even with this release, I'm like, every post, I mean, the PR team is doing such an amazing job. Ekta's so amazing. Sahir, you're so amazing. Summer, you're so amazing. I miss you all so much. I feel like I'm going to cry.
I miss you, girl.
I'm sure you're being missed here. Listen, but tell me honestly, how much time did it take for you to say yes to this role?
Oh, no time at all. I think it took them more time to accept me. I wanted the role. I've come off of a long hiatus of not being seen as an actor, and I think sometimes the divine has a plan, and now I understand what the plan was. This was the role that I needed to come back for. Yeah, I can't even describe how nuanced and complex the storytelling is. I give it up to Sahir sir for being just the most amazing director. And yeah, every single person on the team made this kind of storytelling possible because it was intense to say the least. Hey guys.
I can see Saharsa just smiling away like that in the corner. But okay, I'm going to give you one opportunity to ask one question to either of them standing here right now. Quickly, what would that question be and for whom?
One of the questions that I asked Sahir was, what is he so shocked he actually did? And what did he wish he had done better? And then a question I'd like to ask Riddhi. I don't know if I'm jumping or not. Can you still hear me?
We can hear you, yes. Yes, we can hear you.
No, it froze. Can you hear me?
Yes. Go on.
A question I ask Riddhi is what's like for her to share one standout moment from when she was shooting, a moment that she'll never ever forget, where she couldn't believe she was doing this.
Okay, who's starting first? Both of them point to each other.
One thing I will not forget.
हाँ मतलब रिद्धि
What is
आंसर
the
कर
one
दो.
thing? I remember a question to you. What is the one thing you wish that you had done and one thing that you were shocked that you did? Two questions for you.
Why would you put such a question?
The thing,
Yeah.
I mean, I always wish I had shot it even better. I always wish we had just a little more time to do a few more nuances. That always happens. But what, quite literally, all of the actors brought shocked me at every point. Every day we did at least 3-4 scenes that were just shockingly great. And the things that all of you did in them were fantastic. We're seeing them slowly in the edits now and soon for everyone.
Okay, Riddhi.
I think that I actually take away a lot from this show. मैंने बहुत कुछ इस show में किया है. It's been almost like therapy. Acting anyway मेरे लिए बहुत therapeutic है. और बहुत सारा काम, बहुत सारे scenes ऐसे किए which I could not believe I have done with such ease. There's been effort, of course, before we came on set, but once the camera was rolling, so many places between her and me, between Suhas and me, Imad and me, with ma'am, so many things. Just being Astha so effortlessly, I honestly felt like I can't believe I've carried so many women with me. You know, that's the one thing that I have taken away. I don't know if it's making sense to anybody, but मुझे नहीं अंदाजा था कि मैंने अपनी नानी, अपनी मम्मी, अपनी चाची, अपनी आंटी सबको कैरी किया अपने साथ और सबका कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं निकल रहा था, which to me was humbling in a way, you know. It was nice.
I hope that answered your question, Monica. And I'm not going to keep you waiting because I know 5 baje hain subah and you also need to rest. So thank you so much for joining us. Can we, yeah? Okay.
No, we don't want you to go.
Okay, we're asking you to wait for longer. Is that fine?
yeah.
Yeah?
I
Okay,
try.
great. So we will keep her ताकि आप भी सवाल
going to
पूछ
say
पाएं
that
to
black
Monica.
coffee.
Yeah, but okay. Now coming back to Ekta ma'am, you know, I know it's a little difficult to choose between Peeplika and Astha because I know. But then phir bhi, what is that one thing that you would take from each of these characters?
I think when I read the book, I was clear that I don't think I'm an Astha at all. So there was nothing I could take from her. But there was a lot of empathy I felt for Astha. For her journey is so much of an internal journey, with the world looking at her in large, broad strokes as a perfect life, you know. In the 90s, a woman married with a nice husband, good house, doing well, upper middle class, is considered a great life, you know. But the internal journey, the emptiness, the lacunae, probably I could understand, if not real, and probably understand in her pain, but I probably couldn't relate to it. But as far as Peeplika goes, I mean, I think there's a lot of Peeplika in me, so I think. So I love her chutzpah, I love her attitude, I love the characters. I mean, the way we developed her keeping in mind that from 90s to now the storytelling has changed. Even though the book was written many years ago, I felt that there should be a little more because it's after all a web show. So we added more layering to her. I think she's become more and more interesting. I mean, she is not exactly, she does not have boundaries and she can't be contained. And that's why her, Piplika and Astha become two diametrically opposite women with similar problems, you know, emptiness.
Which is beautiful. I can't wait to watch this. Reminding you once again, 8th March, All Balaji, Z5, ab Suhas ke taraf. Okay. Ye kaisa raha? With two strong women there, of course, and you are a very important character in this show. So how was your experience? Tell us.
It's really, I'm on the Astha side of things, you know, even though the show is about Astha and Piplika. And speaking of modern, it's funny because the idea of the modern man, I mean, we all know Indian men and what they're like. And you know, despite being on the outside very modern seeming, we carry, Indian men, carry some sort of like baggage that comes from society. I mean, the first thing is we don't realize that we're born in a very patriarchal society and we're born with a sense of entitlement. And Hemant's character doesn't realize that either. And Jaise Astha keh rahi thi कि she saw, I mean, Riddhi was saying that like she saw, you know, every woman in Astha. I saw every man in Astha, and I was also calling upon, you know, uncles and my dad and my own like sexism when, you know, it caught me by surprise. Because of course we all think we're very like, you know, progressive, liberal people.
You had those Chamko tube light moments, like I say.
Oh yeah, a lot.
Like, ting, oh my God, this is what I do in real life.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there've been those moments in life, and I found myself calling upon all these moments.
Teacher. Monica wants to add something. Yes, we can see you raise your hand. Go for it.
Because I've never met Ekta yet in real life, and I'm so excited. Also, you look very beautiful tonight, hiring me to be in this show. But the whole world has seen Bombay Wives. That's what it's called, right? And how Neelam rejected the role. Everybody I know keeps talking about it. So I would like to know how many people turned down this role before it finally came to me.
And was it her?
Besides Neelam, obviously. So one person
turned down the
it.
role. I didn't offer it to her. I offered it first to you. I shot with Neelam after I offered it with you. He offered it to you. I swear.
That's a separate show, girl.
There I was an actor.
Yeah.